Hello and welcome to W.P. Franklin Campground in Alva, Alva, Florida. This is about 8 miles east of Fort Myers. Here's a premium site number 14. We got a 35-foot Tiffin on here, and it pretty much maxes out the site. You might fit a 40, but I'm backed right up to a tree, and your mirror may very well get out in the highway. You definitely are not going to fit a 44-footer here. Anyhow, let's tour the rest of the campsite. We had a few boats locking through. This has a really nice fire pit, barbecue grill, pavilion, fishing pier, parking, extra large patio. Not all of them are set up like this. This one's actually pretty cool. You can put your awning out, chairs, lots of birds chirping, birds wanting to steal your food. There is manatee swimming out here right now. I don't know if you want to see them. They are out there swimming. They're making this swirls. They come right up to shore. There's fish. There's boats. A little bit of everything. Okay. I think that pretty well sums up my tour. There's 50 amp electric on all sites. And there's water. There is no sewer. You have to use the dump station. But there's a nice little pedestal. And then parking across the street. We've been in several of these campsites. I like site 11 down there. It's a nice big pull through. You could fit 2 motorhomes on that one. But anyhow, for the purposes of this video, this is site number 14 at W.P. Franklin Campground in Alva, Florida. It is about 8 miles east of Fort Myers. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed my video.